Ron McLean, the Dream Roper. Hey, my live today is about a quote by Mark Twain. How do you make good decisions? Experience. Where do you get experience? Making bad decisions. And I was reminded of that the other day when I reached into my closet and pulled out a shirt. Hey, Ken. Hey, Barbara. So, look, if I'll stand up so you can see this. See this shirt? Well, I was enthusiastic. Back in early 2012, I was looking for a nutritional shake type of thing. Hey, Ron, nutritional shake type of thing to have every morning. And a friend of mine was marketing that, my friend Bob. So I took a look at it. Hey, if it works, I'll market it. So I joined his company. It's a network marketing company. And I was full of enthusiasm. I said, this stuff seems pretty good. I could recommend that. So I might as well, I'll join the company. In fact, Barbara and I went on their company cruise for our honeymoon. So that sounds good, right? So I had these shirts made, branding and all that. It's all about branding. And if you look at this shirt, the company's gone out of business. I got 5 shirts made. A white one, a black one, a maroon one, 2 shades of blue. Oh yeah, these, and good quality shirts because I still got them from 2012. The bad news is, hey Frank, I'm advertising for a company that's defunct. But the good news is, I met up with a bunch of people online, like the Eric Greens and the Ray Higdons and whatnot, and a bunch of other people all singing the same song. Brand yourself. Because why would you brand a company? To start with, you get paid commissions on what you sell. It's not really your business to advertise the company. And if you're investing in yourself, and like even buying shirts, right? Investing in yourself, it should be your own business. Because what's the big deal? You invest in the company, and the company goes out of business, then what? And that happens more than you'd like, right? But why do people brand a company? I mean, most companies, and I'm not saying all, but a whole bunch of companies, especially in the network marketing arena, will encourage you to put their company name out there in your social media posts, your Facebook posts, Instagram. Put the brand name of their products. You're gonna put your link out there, right? And people will flock to you. Politely, bull. And I mean, let's face it. I mean, if you're really good at branding your company and every social media post goes out and you're advertising your company, what are you? You're a walking infomercial. Who the heck wants a social media friend that keeps looking for advertisements, right? So, if you got something good, share it. But you don't have to share what's behind it. Share what it's done for you. People care about that. Right? So my message today on branding is brand yourself, because wherever you go, there you are, right? So if you're in business for yourself, which I encourage you to do, I encourage you to brand yourself, because let's face it, we change over time. I have changed. I've been attracted to products and companies that didn't turn out to be the way I wanted them to be. In fact, I got a helo from a company that they changed their whole marketing structure, their whole approach to the market. That doesn't do you and I any good if we're out there pushing a company. So if you're in a niche, or if you're basically out there to help people, you're gonna recommend things that they like, whether it be internet marketing or network marketing or any direct sales, anything. If you feel good about a product, no problem telling them and tell people what results they can get with the product. But don't go ahead and brand a company, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, not necessarily companies. So I would encourage you, stand out there, make a difference, make your mark, and let people see you, because that's who they want to see. This is social media, right? Let's be social. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for joining in today.